Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see another cute earring tutorial, and you can find the free written pattern of this beautiful earring in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description, and you can follow me on my Instagram if you have an Instagram account. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to use this size 8 cotton crochet thread. You can find this in Amazon or Etsy, and it's 100% cotton crochet thread. You can find them in many colors, and I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook for working this earring. If you followed my channel, you can see many other earring tutorial, and I have updated the link in the description box. And for round 1, I'm going to work a magic ring, and I'm going to work a chain 3 first. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then I'm going to work one more chain for the chain 1 space. So altogether I have worked 4 chains, and then I'm going to work a double crochet and a chain 1. So I'm going to repeat this double crochet and chain 1 10 more times. So in total we should have 11 double crochet with chain 1 and your starting chain 3 with chain 1. So altogether we should have 12 double crochet with in between chain 1 spaces at the end of this round. So go ahead, work 10 more double crochet with in between chain 1 spaces. So considering our chain 3 as our first double crochet, we should have 12 double crochets in total with in between chain 1 spaces. So go ahead, keep working double crochet followed by a chain 1, and once you have a total of 12 double crochet with followed by a chain 1, you should complete this round 1, and you can go ahead work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3. So go ahead, work round 1. I'll meet you at the end of round 1. So now let's go ahead count how many double crochets we have worked to see if it sums up to 12 double crochets. And then you can go ahead work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 after you have worked your last double crochet followed by a chain 1. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3. Now you can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So now for round 2, I'm going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 1 space. Then I'm going to work a chain 2, double crochet 2 together. This chain 2 double crochet 2 together is considered as our first double crochet 3 together. And now go ahead work 3 chains. And then in every chain 1 space of round 1, we are going to work a double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3. Followed by a chain 3. Now go ahead work double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3 in every chain 1 space of round 1. And once you have completed working your last double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet 2 together to close this round 2. So go ahead work your round 2. I'll meet you at the end of round 2. So now I have worked my last double crochet 3 together. I'm going to work a chain 3 and then work a slip stitch on top of my starting, chain 2 double crochet 2 together to close this round 2. So now before proceeding to round 3, I'm going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 3 space. Then I'm going to work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work 2 single crochet and then work a picot. Picot is nothing but chain 3 and then work a slip stitch on the starting stitch. So that's called your picot stitch, and then work 2 more single crochet on the same chain 3 space. So in every chain 3 space of round 2, we are going to work 2 single crochet, 1 picot, 2 single crochet. So work 2 single crochet, 1 picot, and then work 2 single crochet, everything on the chain 3 space. Now go ahead, repeat this in every chain 3 space of round 2. So on every chain 3 space of round 2, we are going to work 2 single crochet, 1 picot, 2 single crochet. So go ahead, repeat this pattern around, and once done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet stitch. So go ahead and work your round 3. I'll meet you at the end of round 3. So now we are at the end of round 3. I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet stitch to close this round 3. So after you have worked the slip stitch, you can work one more slip stitch and then fasten off, and you can weave the odd ends. So this will be one piece of your earring, and weave the odd ends now, and then you can secure it with a knot, and then you can snip off all the extra yarn or thread after you have secured it with the knot. And then you might need to stiffen this earring. So this is just one earring, you may need to work one more for a pair of earring, and as you can see they are wobbly. I have worked the same earring in a different color, so you can see they are not stiff. You're gonna stiffen them up using one part of glue and water and air dry them for about a day. So now you can see that the earring is stiffened, and I'm gonna attach a fish hook or earring hook to it, to any of the picot stitches, and this is how it looks. And now your earring is done. You can work them in any color you want. These lace earrings are super delicate, and they're gonna look so pretty, and they work up so quickly, so you can gift it to someone you like, or it's perfect for market motifs as well. And if you like a free pattern of this earring, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post immediate project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. And please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.